What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another big body banger. Now, if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification, like this video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. Now, I still got the Subaru footage coming for you guys, but today I'm doing something a little different. So recently my aux cord went out in my car, and if you don't know, I have a 2005 Acura TSX. This didn't come with an aux, so it's an aftermarket aux cord already. Now it's the second time it went out on me. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is take the centerpiece out here. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. I don't know if there's anywhere else I can put it, but first we're gonna take this centerpiece out here. So usually you just stick your hand in there, make a fist and pull it out, but I have some stuff in there, so I'm just gonna hold here and pull it out because I don't think I locked it in place last time. Oh, word of advice is put your car in neutral. Hold on, there we go. Put your car in neutral with the e-brake up or something, and it'll be way easier for you to get to what you need. So after you do that, you're gonna just take this part out, wiggle it out. Some people would suggest that you take this off. Let me bring you guys closer. Some people would suggest that you take this part off. I wouldn't. I would just put it to the side a little bit, because what you need is actually back there. I don't know how much you guys can see. Yeah, so let me put you guys back up here and continue. So I actually haven't done this in a while. Let's hope I remember and don't break anything that I don't need to break. Okay. So everything in my thing there just fell, so yeah, that's that. There we go. So you got to pull this out off. Let's hope we could see some. Let me see if I could get my my flashlight on in here. Okay guys, so the part we need is right here. That's where we need to put it in. So I don't know if you guys could see me, but I'm sure you guys could hear me. Yeah, so we take the new one and then we fit it up exactly.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, this is always the hard part, guys.
$2,000 years later.
Here we go. Now we got it. So yeah, take you guys out. So yeah, now we're gonna try to test it out before we close it back up and see if it's working. So this is the old one that I had. It's yellow and the new one is kind of white, so hopefully that doesn't really make a difference. Let me bring you guys down some more. Yeah, hopefully that doesn't make a difference. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of audio. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna try to find some music for you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so instead of finding YouTube music, I figure I might as well throw my boy music in here and support, let you guys, you know what I mean, go listen to his EP. It's called Still Palm Trees by Young Palm Tree on all music platforms. Just search up Young Palm Tree and just, yeah, let him know I sent you guys, feel me? But yeah, let's see if it work. Let's hope it work actually. Let's go.
Palm trees. Hey. Finna go for a swim in this bitch. Hey. Finna go for a swim in this bitch. Water, finna slaughter your daughter. I dive in the water, something like an otter. No, I never changed, no, I never altered. Bitch hating on me, but I cannot falter all over my new bitch body. Dice and armor, I'm seeing the snakes, but I'm not the charm to keep you on my knee.
Boy, if you don't, that's all I'm gonna give you guys. If you guys want to hear the rest of the song, just go over it. Like I said, SoundCloud, Apple Music, Spotify, wherever you want to go, wherever you listen to your music from, YouTube, Young Palm Tree. I'm telling you guys, he up and coming next. All right. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm getting kind of hot. I didn't want to turn the AC on because you guys wouldn't be able to hear me. So it's getting kind of hot. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for checking in. I hope you guys are staying safe in this time. Now I have a video coming for you guys, I think Saturday or Sunday, maybe, depending on when this is going up. I don't know yet. So just subscribe and stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys then.